and obi na your tata. Your subconsciousness, your body, your brain, no, because I hear Danny Denina. Oh, wa, oh, them crana be jitchery. Say be ye na about anything. I obey fill your mind with negatively, no, it become part and parcel of you. And to be all my wrong, the nature, no, only capro. But obi o kapren because of how we're living in life. Why and home more and say abeka ni ho. Oscar will no cross a come den. Unji obi sada. You just misjudge the person say because of Abia come den, but then pano or you be a uncle bit marrow. Share odia ya share a doom for pizza for me man. The way they be on person dress fine, force you or you be what also fine. What 2 necklaces? Do you know what I say? I don't scare you any deal. Because what program no say always you have to look good, and that good picks up with them. So how good now? Or be living a life that now you be part and parcel of him. Ade Akye what they count, no, it becomes part of you. And today, your thoughts, what thing, are very important. And nothing a Filippo or Philippians, no, or Chocomo Filippo for ne say Christo ensure my drain makoma so. Because adreno, whatever you feed in is what that will produce. A debia would be room no and run about. So garbage in, garbage out. So this morning I don't know. Adrena wodging. So what dream say Yadiana Nebekua? Says I dream because Yadiana Bekun. Why dream some de Yana Debeko woman says I dream Nehiana Debeko womb. Whatever that becomes your thought and to share Odia share my catch or share a story at the Bia Bob near Bob and I just saw a Japanche, and I saw a way you become part and parcel of you. To who crowd don't say dom anamo. But if you go to places, it tells you obey it is well with your soul. It is what Nippanonica parents or Namocras will be. It has become what you believe and what you practice. So anything that you feed your mind with, day in, day out, become part and parcel of you, and it defines you. Eti akwadabia wo school no nsa wa bonwa school kra anya ne de. Ya de ko school ni abon. But onyini no, on say enkunta bi kra o sika bi wa yede mana oso ni nsesa sei. Enso obi a ko invest kra no, ebu okra ji so the calculator. But not to what that is the field. But then also programming when I say what bon or actually any yedo. Sadian red one be seen there to Sadian wood. Whatever that you feel your minds on become part and parcel of you. I don't find your old drink, their ususu, their old yan and debiano, chenier. Fill your mind with positivity. Fill your spirits, fill your soul. Let your soul feed on positivity. Whatever you practice, whatever you believe in, become part and parcel of you. And I may say, false prophets are dangerous, but false teachers are more dangerous because they conscientize you on the idea row. Say crab say nipa ni wa wuni ho. Nipa na be meaning God to you. Oni wa wuni ho. Ya decide na sha wa dream. It is any penny you say you ni what ya and you nyamini ho ubu bia ni ho. That is what you feed on. Till say I am scared of false teachers than false prophets because they doctrinate you. It becomes part of you. Osumbia a doctrine no e be ya din say obeti mejai because prophecy the at least a member but doctrination no your doctrine wa din sa obe ya part of it no be a slave to that thing. I don't pay. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. Whatever you feed on and you practice day in, day out becomes you. I will not even say become part of you. Becomes you. Becomes who defines you. Becomes who you are. Becomes who you want to be. I don't pay you when you go for my entiase. No me entiase any. No man assume you bra assume jenina so. Enkai. May the peace of our Lord, which surpasses all understanding, be with us. We say, Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam. It's a blissful Monday morning. And of course, today happens to be the 13th day in the 7th month, 13th of July, 2026. This is the doing of the Lord. From the Kwame Nkwantabisa, the biggest and the hottest breakfast near Demau. 7 about sports for the work, my ready. Mbabetna sinomu asomye mbabra yem executive producer na mekoba so work ene bra emba wie pe na meba yebedi nkomo ha na posi for so mgusu ye nhwehwemu won Cocoa House Cocoa board echi honum edan no bebia mayor mai ko dwirigu ye no sa structures no posi for na yesi ebidia de ma shawofo ne omo ye nro omo ye ayi drug abuse Kenya and the Akoba and some more, and pay Yebedi and so clean up no equaviano. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama December Etuja, Payabeka, Miracle Abuaje, and people no honor, and the Jerem Casama Baumia campaign na. Yasi Ache Papano. I won't come to say. Comac for Casafa, Fue, and also come at to say. Yaba and pay Yebedi and Como. Aside Eslano in 2025, yes, say here about 12.9 billion.